Hello, welcome to WinFS Trading YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, make sure you do your best to subscribe to this channel. Comment your country so that I help you make money trading the financial industry. Today we talk about how to take a $5 to $10,000 plus trading crash, 300, 500, 1000. You will ask, why didn't I put boom indices? The reason is because the politics behind the boom indices is actually different for that behind the crash market. So what I'm going to do here is to help you achieve your financial freedom, bro. So you have to go to the daily time frame. For me, if you have up to 4 phones, you have to open all the crash indices from crash 1000 down to crash 300. Actually, you need 3 phones. You have to open it in a 3 phone, or if you have a laptop version of MT5, you open three tabs for it. Okay, what are you going to do when you open it? Make sure you have at least $5 in your account. Okay, when you open it, because this is not a scalping strategy, it's a long-term trading, but it will make you rich. When you open it, check where there is support or resistance in the daily time frame. Take for instance, that is support here, price is share. Are you getting what I'm saying? Let me increase this. You see, price reach here. Price reach here and do what? Reverse. So any day price come back to here, you have to buy. When you buy, you have to allow your trade to stay until it hits this level. Then you collect your profit. Imagine you are going to make, if you buy at this level, you are going to make over 3,000 pips, 3,705 pips point something. That's what you are going to make. Meaning that if you buy 0.2, you are going to make at least close to $200 just buying 0.2. You see, your $5 has become $200 plus. Okay. Now, if you check here, the current position of the price now, see the current position. It is not on a support, it is not on a resistance. On a support, you'll be buying. On a resistance, you'll be selling. Okay? See the resistance here. Here is a price reach here and drop. This is a resistance. Okay, this is another resistance. So any day price hit here, like any day price hit this level, you are going to be selling. But know that there is something you need to understand. If the market is trending in a given direction, make sure you collect, like you sell and collect your profit when you notice that it's no longer selling in lower time frames, because you must understand the trend. Right now this market is actually going, it has already tuned in the upward direction, so you selling, you have to be careful also. Unlike what happened here, the market actually is changing trend. So if you buy here, you are going to stay long because it is changing trend. Because even the relative strength index here, the moving average 10 in the relative strength index has already touched level 10. That shows a long-term buy signal. Okay, so let's say open crash 500. See, like this array, this does work. It does work in the daily time frame. You see, market hit this level and do what? Reverse. This is a resistance here. Let me show you, baby. Let me show you. And I'm going to color this lively. So here, you notice what is happening here, that the price hit here. Next time when price come back there in the dailies, all you need to do is to sell, and it's selling perfectly. And you need to understand the trend. The market is downtrend. It's still downtrend. Yeah, because the price action is always below the moving average, 200. This black moving average, so it's downtrend. So you sell until it hit the previous, like this is the resistance. So you sell on the resistance until it hit the previous, the original support level, which is here. Let me increase it. That is here. That's the original support. Okay, that's the original support level. Are you getting it? This is the original support. So and it did come here. It did come here perfectly. Okay. Remember, I'm not teaching you everything. Actually, there is a course called Boom and Crash Millionaire course. It is $250 to enroll for the course. What I'm just giving you, I'm just trying to help you people, because I know many of you have lost and most of you are committing suicide in this market, because this is a very useless, dangerous market. Only those that are experts can understand it. I call it useless because you can lose your money and lose your money and lose your money until you cry and say, why me? Who put me into this business? But with people like us, do you know what it means to answer FX trading? It took me a lot of pains, a lot of reasoning, a lot of understanding of this market for me to bring the name WinFX Trading and start a YouTube education of this market. Okay, what it is that I know what I'm doing. I can easily help you become rich here. All you need to do is to calm down and learn. That money you will invest trading on your own, and you lose and you lose and you lose. Just invest the money in getting the knowledge. I don't need your money like that. You're already paying me for the service. Okay? After all, I can decide to assimilate the knowledge on my own, make money on my own. But every time I'm thinking about my subscriber, I'm always crying. Why are you losing? You see, that's if you actually follow me, maybe you have watched this type of video, you have followed me and watched. Maybe if I uploaded this video earlier before you wasted your account, you should be rich by now. This is 2048 pips. Imagine, cash 500 in the dailies. Those people, they will ask you how to cash 15 candles. Oh my god, it's not even 15 candles in H1 or the H4, or just 15 candles in M1. I mean, what a nonsense, man. That is not trading. That's not how you can become rich. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, that's not how you can become rich. Okay, you see, that's why I tell you, it's not everything I'll tell you in this video. You see, that's what you call approximation. That's what you call virtual price actions. You see, there is a hidden sell signal here, but a lot of people will wait for the price to get here. Okay, what you need to do is to gradually shift what is remaining, the pips that remain for you to hit there. That is about 135 pips. Now you ask yourself a question: if I use 0.2 loss size, what will be the loss level in case the market starts buying again? Because there is high probability, there's high probability that the market have to, on reaching here, it have to retest to this resistance. There is high probability for that. But the problem now is that is what you call like market is probabilistic. At times you expect it to get to a particular level, it won't get there, and that is what you call hidden signals. That for a normal human being, a non-meta trader, somebody that is not metaphysical or who is not a psychological trader, we actually believe that this market will not sell. Even experts will say it will also, because it has to come and retest here. But if you're a wise trader, you're supposed to know that this is a downtrend. The market is actually in a downtrend, and here is a distribution zone. It's actually trying to distribute after a very long-term downtrend. Then in this distribution, don't expect a lot of protocols to be attained. No. So this distance, this 135 pips difference with respect to the resistance level, as a meta trader, what you need to do is you add, like, you consider yourself, okay, I have a $10 account. If I should sell here now, and this market start buying to retest to this resistance before selling, then it will cost me extra. That will be $27 approximately. It will cost me extra $27 approximately to make a trade here. To even open 0.2 loss side, it will cost me. That means I need to make sure my equity is up to $37. So that even if it hit here, I'll be losing $27, then it will spike, because it will not break this resistance in the daily. Daily are very strong signals. Daily signals, strong signal. It can never break it in the dailies, I'm telling you, because that is 2 points here, 2 swing, first and second. So the third must be respected. Only the fourth might be broken. That's why you need to enroll for Millionaire Boom and Crash course. Okay, I will not tell you everything. So as an expert trader, you have to sell as it is approaching the resistance. No matter, even if there is a kind of gap or a space, a difference of point, you accommodate that in your equity. All you need to do is to add more to it, add that difference in your equity, and what happens is selling. How much would you have made? You would have made, by taking this risk 770 pips, and that means if you traded 0.2 loss size, just open one position, you are making close to $200, okay, close, because I know, close to $200, okay. Let me check the time this video is taking. I don't want to. Okay, we still have time. What else will I tell you? Let me go to cash. Okay, like expect a buy signal. Any day this market reacts. If this market comes back here to this level, don't buy. Do you know why? Look at that structure. Look at that market structure. Look at it very well. That is a head. This is a head, inverted head and shoulder pattern in a downtrend. This is the head. I think that's the head. Here is the head. Here, and this is the left shoulder. Then it's going to come here to form the right shoulder, which is probabilistic. We have not concluded that this is a perfect shoulder. Yes. Though as a smart trader, once the price hits here, you can put stop loss somewhere here. In the dailies, the stop loss increase virtually, and you have to take note of that. If you are putting stop loss, like you expect a kind of 95 to 100 pips, and you put your stop loss, okay, unless, so if it is spiking, you will be protected. If not, if you are not trying to use stop loss, then here is risky, because we have not even concluded that this is going to be a perfect head and shoulder pattern. It will still come back here. It will still come back here. It will still come back here. That is probability it will come back here, and this is the best, most profit sensitive zone to buy, okay, in the dailies. So let's check crash 1000. I call crash 1000 I don't know, father of crashing business. You see, the broker is just serious, very serious in the monthly. This market has been on a downtrend in the monthly time frame. Look at it. Who knows I don't know the traders where they were when this thing happened. You see, after that bullish monthly candle, what happened? That is a primary monthly bearish candle that like it engulfed the previous month bullish candle. It engulfs the body and close even below the open of the previous monthly candle. And what happened? As expert trader, next month the market sells. The third month it buys and come to the half of the week, the top week of the previous month. Here, expert trader will stage their investment here because this is a very strong resistance level. Weak are also resistance levels or support level depending on where they occur. Like this top one is resistance, and here if you actually do this, remember I'm not talking about monthly, I'm talking about daily, but I just want to show you why I say this is the father of crashing. This they are very serious. Crash 1000 is serious in trending, very trending market. If it is trending downwards, it's trending downwards. Don't play with it. You see, over 5,000 pips made, okay, in the month. Now check this. Let me go to dailies. You see, though you can make profit using this strategy in the dailies. You see, this market on hitting this level. You see this level, that they ignore that small breakout is negligible. It always buys. So on the next retest now, it's going to come back to this level. Believe me, it must come back here. Okay, do you know why? The market is in a monthly downtrend, meaning that the downtrend in the dailies is noisy. Like the way it is that in the monthly it is downtrend. It is in downtrend. Are you getting it? It is in a strong downtrend, meaning that the daily are noises, and the 4 hours, the H1 and the other lower time frame are much more full of noises. Okay, so what the month is telling you is what you are going to do. So we go back to the month. Now when you go back to the month, now you see that rejection, that top rejection or bearish rejection. That is showing you that there is high probability that this market will close close to here. I see at that price of 7,453. It will go down by extra 235 pips. Meaning it's going to sell. It's going to sell much more in the dailies. Okay, that's in a couple of next 3 to 5 days, next 3 to 7 days. 3 to 7 days, this market will sell. It will sell, but there will be a trap. A lot of, like, you might sell, it will buy, and then it will not sell. So these are the things we teach you in the Boom and Crash Millionaire course. $250 to become a millionaire overnight, trading this Boom and Crash indices. Okay, you see. So in a smart downtrending market like this, a positioning for sell signal will be very much more profitable. And how do you do that? We already know that in the monthly, the politics behind this market is in a strong monthly downtrend. All you need to do is to check whenever the price action hit the moving average 200, the EMA 200, the exponential moving average 200. Anytime it hit it, you have to actually sell, because that is dynamic resistance support. I'm sorry, resistance. That is dynamic resistance level. Okay, for this market. But most of the times, the market keeps selling without even reacting to the moving average 200. Or in that case, you use your normal horizontal resistance to model the market. Like when you notice a lot of price action happening, like here, this market counts here, couldn't break it, goes down. So when price comes back here, you have to sell. You have to sell, put your stop loss above somewhere, you have to sell. Believe me, since the politics is that this market is trending, like don't look at the geometry of the chart. Someone will say, this is where the world ends, this is where the earth ends. Like you will say, this is where the earth ends. If price come here, it cannot break it. Let me tell you, if you understand the politics of boom and crash market, crash 1000 can hit a price of 5000 in history. It has not hit that price in history, but the way I see it in the monthly and the yearly trend, it will hit a price of 5000. Yeah, I understand the politics in this market. Okay, so start changing your life. I'm going to end this video. Thank you and remain successful. Bye for now. I know the truth is hard to believe. If it is how to cash 15 candles, how to cash 10 candles, how to do this, how to do that, how to use all these greenish indicators, spicy indicators and all of that, those things doesn't work. That's why you blow your $5,000 account, you blow your 1000, you start complaining, you give account managers, they blow your account. Never you let anybody trade for you. If you want to make money, learn from experts like WinFX Trading. Learn, change your life, trade yourself, make money. Nobody will ever manage your account successfully. Do you know the reason? Those people that for someone to request to manage your account, that means that person is jobless. Okay, unless you are a certified investment manager, like you have a big company with many workers. But if you meet a YouTuber or someone that is not educated, that is not organized manager, that doesn't have a physical office, just have a website, okay, you cannot locate the physical location of the company. Let me tell you, such things are scams. Unless you just risk small with a trust, it might work if the person is actually expert. Are you getting it? So the best thing now is education. Get educated right now. Thank you and remain successful. Bye for now.